for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos, so you won't miss anything. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, let's get inspired by this amazing, literally amazing, rose quartz wig. Oh my gosh, I had seen it and I'm like, I gotta have this girl. I have to have her. I'm so attracted to pink wigs. I have a lot of them in different tones, and this one is one that I do not have and needed. So let me show you the card for her. So she is by Main Concept, and honestly, Main Concept always gets these very natural colors right. They have those beautiful tiger's eye. I'll leave all the links down below for those amazing tiger's eye blends and whatnot, but this one right here, of course, is in this rose quartz. I was also really digging this creamy blonde color. That looks really amazing. So I was like really tempted about this one. So this is a 6x6, which means there's a lot of opportunity for you to do dramatic and deeper, or excuse me, wider and deeper parts. So it's the 6" by 6 inches of lace for parting. So she shows you kind of in the back here that you can actually do like a super wide right, super wide, whoops, that's the right, here's the left, and of course the middle part. I did wear her yesterday down the center, and honestly, you know, I always would say I'm not a down the center kind of girl, but it's really growing on me with a lot of these wigs. So it's helping me step out of my own little box that I am with my always part right here. So let's look at this amazing piece. So just look at her. Oh my gosh, look at that beautiful gradation. And I feel like, I mean, she's definitely a very dark, but almost like a metallic, like charcoal. I don't know if you can see that. Like she's not black, but she also isn't silver. She's almost, it's very interesting. I think that's part of its allure with this. And it's kind of, you know, little bright, like this silvery here, and then just really dives into this gorgeous pink quartz color. So great, so great. So let's look at the construction of her. Okay, so here's that lace that you can see all up in the front right here for that parting, whatever you want to do. And then let's just give you a better look on the inside right here, if you can kind of see the wig and its insides. So she has 2 clips on the side here, and then she does have the 1 clip in the back. And here she is. Let's put her on and let's play with the party. Let me get my comb ready right here. Okay, so let's put her down. I feel like she sheds just like a regular wig, like nothing aggressive, just your standard right there. So of course I have my wig cap, my freshly washed wig cap, which is always a fantastic thing, so it's super tight. So I got these from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I'll leave the link down below for that. And of course, these wig caps come in a multitude of colors and styles, and you don't have to wear a wig cap if you don't want to. So just do what you want to do, but I love wearing a nude wig cap. So, okay, she's all in there. Okay, so I put my wigs on front to back. Ooh. I mean, how amazingly glamorous. Let's just look. Wow. So good. Okay. course, I have not done anything to this wig. I just cut the lace off, so she's, you know, if you want to make it more custom to what you'd like, of course, you can trim the front off a little bit, make it a little bit lighter, and make some baby hairs and whatnot. Since I have this right here down the middle part, I'll just show you. I did this yesterday when I wore her out, just using a little bit of powder, and I just powdered my part real quickly, just to make it look a little bit more realistic. So, wow, what do you guys think about this? This is the length of her. Let me move my top around. So she's actually a pretty nice little length right here, and she's very soft. And I mean, very soft, and you can see like she's very shiny, but not too shiny. She's just gorgeous. I absolutely love her. Like I said, I wore her out yesterday, and it just felt really, really great. And of course, I wore it down the center. So let's play with this parting to do a very deep part. So let's see if I can, how far can I go over here? So just, when you part them, you know, kind of just part them like your regular hair, either using your hands or using a comb, whatever is easier for you. You just gotta figure out what works best for you. Okay, so this is the side that I would normally part my hair. Oh, I do really like this. I did not mess with the part at all. So this is my first time messing with the parting. Oh, I like it. I like it. I feel like I can actually go a little deeper. Can I? Oh, I can. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, wow. This is kind of cool. I like this. Because I normally am not a super deep parter. Wow. This is pretty cool. Okay, great. So let's move to the other side. Let's just see if she gives a different look on this side. No, of course, you know, this is the misfit eyebrow side. So sometimes I do show her. I mean, you know, the wigs sometimes, you know, only have that parting. Wow. Linda, look at her. I really love this deep parting. This is my first 6x6 wig. This wig, of course, is from divatrust.com. How could I forget to talk about that? From divatrust.com, I actually have coupon codes down below for you and this wig. So all of that information is down below. Let me know what you think about this. Let me know if you have Linda and all her greatness. Let me know if you have this color. I would honestly love to see you in this wig or your favorite pink wig that you have. Check me out on Instagram, of course. My account's right here. It's a great way for you to message me your photos of your wigs, your makeup, whatever you're up to. I would honestly love to see what you're up to and see how glamorous you are. Because remember, it is your absolute right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So be fabulous every day and don't care about what anyone else has to say about it. You just do you, because that's what I do. I don't care what anyone has to say about it. I'm fabulous. And of course, thank you all for watching, and we will see you soon.